investing is easy to start, although to end depends on your income level. It's easy to maintain over time, but do bear in mind that money you invest should be money you're willing to leave for long periods of time. It's quite hard to start earning immediately. As a YouTuber myself, it took me 10 months and 25 videos before I was monetized. But after that, you just have to make your content more valuable or entertaining, other things included as well. Affiliate marketing is kind of easy to start, but moderately difficult to earn because you'd need a devoted audience and a domain authority towards your certain target market. How you maintain it depends on those factors. Selling and making money from your digital products depends on your brand's message and what problem you're trying to solve. There's always competition in this field, so you need to stand out and gain an audience that would actually buy your products. Gain knowledge about cryptocurrencies, especially if you're a beginner. There are courses and tutorials that will give you a basic guide, do's and don'ts on starting and maintaining it. That is it for the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoy the style I used in making the video, do make sure to comment down below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys when next I post. Bye.